Hi everyone, my name is Zane McGowan. I am a dual student at Widener. I'm doing this MSW stuff. I'm also in the human sexuality program. I'm currently a parole agent with the state of Pennsylvania. I have a general caseload out in West Philly around the 58th and Baltimore Ave area. One of the things I found interesting learning in these classes so far is another class I'm taking this semester, Human Sexuality 593. And in that class, we watched videos of two men and a woman rubbing feces all over each other and then gagging themselves and throwing up on each other as part of what they were sexually into. So watching my classmates' reactions and my own reaction to that video was definitely pretty interesting. Not the run-of-the-mill type of things that you do in many of these classes. Look forward to work with you guys this semester.